Hello everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to start Economics chapter 3, that is poverty as a challenge. Yes, poverty, that is the biggest issue of our country, and I am sure this chapter is going to be very interesting as we are going to talk about this big issue, a social issue it is. We are going to talk about this. Okay, so now I am going to tell you a short trailer what the story is all about, what we are going to study. So we should have a clear idea what are the topics I am going to cover in this video. Okay. So let us start with this. First one is we will talk poverty as a multi-dimensional problem. Here you can see I have written multi-dimensional. Means this poverty, it's not a single problem. Wherever it will go, it will take all its friends together. Like if you are poor, automatically you will be less educated, right? If you are poor, you must be suffering from malnutrition or other health issues. So this is a problem which brings variety of problems with it. So that is why we can say poverty is a multi-dimensional problem. It has got various dimensions. It brings different problems along with it. So we will talk about these different problems further. Then we will see, like if I ask you who are the poor according to you, we come across different people like beggars, like people working in the construction sites, different laborers, and we consider them as poor, right? But how to measure? Sometimes we can't measure who are above poverty line and below. For that we are having a standard system that is known as poverty line. With the help of this poverty line, with a standard formula, we find out whether a person is above poverty line or below poverty line. So here we talk about BPL, that is below poverty line, and APL, that is above poverty line. The next is poverty at our level, that is national and international level. In our country, we will see how the poverty is increasing or decreasing. Whatever data is there, we will talk about poverty in our country. Then we will move ahead and we will see poverty at the global level and the whole world. What is the ratio data of poverty? What is the frequency? How it is increasing or decreasing? That all we are going to see. Next is, as I told you, it is a biggest challenge. It's a biggest problem of our country, right? So we have to work on this problem. We have to find out the causes. So that is what we are going to see next. Causes. What are the different reasons why we are struggling with this issue from decades? Still, it's a biggest problem. So if we are familiar that this is a big problem, but why still it is a problem? No solution. So we have to see the causes first. Then only we can work on the solutions, right? So we will find out all the causes, what are the reasons of poverty in our country. Okay, that is then next we'll come to the solutions, not only problems. Now we have to see the solution, that is anti-poverty measures. What the government is doing, okay, APM, what are the measures government is taking to eradicate this issue, to sort out this problem. Okay, different steps are taken by the government, we should appreciate. We'll talk about each, different programs, different schemes are there, different provisions are there. All this I am going to tell you in detail. So these are the important topics we are going to see in this chapter. More subtopics will come, we'll go with that. Next, one more fact I want to share, that in our country almost 1/4 people, every fourth person is poor, that is below poverty line. We call them below poverty line. This makes this problem even more serious. You can imagine almost 26 crore people are below poverty line. This makes this problem a big issue. That is the reason still we are in the list of developing country, not yet developed, because we have to work on this particular section who are under poverty line. So this is what a small introduction of the chapter, what we are going to see in this chapter. We are going to study. That will give you a clear idea that this is all I am going to study. So it will make you more curious to know more about it. Okay, so in the next video we will talk about more. Just go through it and prepare your notes. Goodbye.